By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to effectively use object-oriented principles in Ruby. When you write programs in Ruby, you spend the majority of your time creating objects, giving those objects abilities, and requesting those objects to complete actions. Anytime you want something done, you ask an object to do it. Writing a Ruby program requires you to create your objects so that each object has a clearly defined role and can execute the actions for that role. In order to create an object, we can write this. We now have an object and a variable by which we can reference it. To give an object behavioral abilities, we need to define methods for the object. Now we're going to create an event ticket object that should be able to provide all the data about itself. Just as with native objects, you can use dot notation to retrieve the information associated with the object. This ticket is a simple example, but it also demonstrates an important principle. The necessary knowledge for your program to do anything useful lives in the object. We're going to do this next part together. We're going to create a beverage item with a few abilities and attributes. First, let's instantiate an object. Now, let's give our beverage a few attributes. Next, let's also give our beverage the ability to summarize its attributes. Now we can call describe self on our beverage and get a summary of its attributes. Now this next part you'll need to do on your own. Using IRB, instantiate a new object and store it in a cat variable. Now give your cat object attributes and abilities of your choosing.